What if your womb could hold more than their memories? What if its hidden secrets could unlock the mysteries behind your health issues? Well, today we embark on a medical detective story of an enlarged or a bulky uterus. What are its symptoms, causes, and what can you do from an Ayurvedic natural perspective to support your health? This is Nidhi from Medhya Herbals. We help women to gain health with all natural and holistic principles of Ayurveda. So let's get started and get into the very details of a bulky uterus and what can you do to support your health with Ayurveda. Imagine your uterus stuck neatly within your pelvis, the size of a small pear. A healthy, happy uterus. Now picture that pear slowly ballooning, morphing into a melon, maybe even a grapefruit. That's what we call a bulky uterus. But it's not just about the size. A bulky uterus, the uterus that's undergone a structural change, often due to the presence of growths, thickening or abnormal tissues. It's like your favorite cozy sweater stretched beyond recognition, losing its original shape and function. And here is how we define bulky in this context. So number one is your size, in which a healthy non-pregnant uterus is generally of the size of 5 cm wide, 7 to 8 cm long, and about 4 cm thick. But a bulky uterus can be significantly larger or even thicker than this size of a non-pregnant healthy uterus. The second is shape, in which a healthy uterus is pear-shaped with a defined fundus, the head, and the cervix, the neck. However, an enlarged or a bulky uterus can become misshaped. It can lose its natural tint, becoming a retroverted uterus, becoming distorted or even rounded in some cases. The third is texture. A healthy uterus feels smooth and firm. However, a bulky uterus has irregular growths inside it. It may feel bumpy, tender, and uneven. Now, when it comes to your health, bulky uterus can affect your health in a number of ways. Some of the common symptoms of an enlarged or a bulky uterus are conditions related to adenomyosis, fibroids, endometriosis, or even presence of polyps and abnormal growths inside, on, or outside the tissues of a uterus. As a result of these changes, one may experience menstrual issues such as heavy menstrual bleeding, short menstrual cycles, or heavy discomfort during and around your menstrual cycles. One may also experience symptoms related to abnormal pressure felt in your pelvic region, leading to discomfort during elimination, such as bowel movement or urination. You may also experience pain and discomfort carrying out your normal tasks or during sexual intercourse. One may also experience digestive discomforts related to bloating, belching, nausea, and a lot of other issues as a result of this abnormal size of the uterus, which affects the whole abdominal cavity too. But do know that every person is different. You may not experience all of these symptoms. However, if there is abnormal discomfort in your daily life, or you are experiencing very heavy menstrual cycles, you need to get professional guidance as well as a doctor's advice on what you need to do to improve your condition and what actions you need to take to actually put an end to the heavy menstrual bleeding. Now, looking into the causes of a bulky uterus, it can happen as a result of medical conditions such as adenomyosis, uterine fibroids, presence of ovarian cyst, endometrial hyperplasia, in which your endometrial lining becomes excessively thick, or it can happen as a result of pelvic inflammatory disease, conditions involving inflammation or infection inside the uterus or of the endometrial layer. It can also happen as a result of serious conditions such as uterine cancer or ovarian cancer.
Now, looking from an Ayurvedic perspective, a bulky uterus actually denotes a reproductive organ which is storing a lot of toxins in the form of abnormal growth, excessive hormones, as well as an emotional overload which you may be storing from long time back as well. And these toxins can actually hamper the functioning of your immune system, which should have naturally removed all these abnormal growths from inside your uterus. Now, these toxins can also cause a lot of inflammation inside the reproductive reproductive cavity as well as the uterus, thus causing all these painful symptoms which you are currently going through. That's why the first step of treatment in Ayurveda is actually to detox the body with the use of herbal supplements, right diet, lifestyle, as well as regular uterus massage, which helps to improve the circulation inside the uterus, tones and reshapes it, and also provides it the required support to heal in a natural way. If you are struggling with any of these symptoms related to bulky or enlarged uterus, do reach out to Medhya Herbals. Our highly experienced Ayurvedic doctors have helped multiple patients successfully in healing their conditions related to adenomyosis, fibroids, presence of abnormal growths inside the uterus as well as the ovaries. I'm sharing the link in description to reach out to Ayurvedic doctors if you need any help. So I hope it was helpful to you. Do leave your feedback and comments. I'll get back. Do like and share this video with all who will find it useful, and do subscribe to Medhya Herbals channel so that you stay updated with the latest Ayurvedic health tips. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.